Son, has the interview started? Eh? Is there an interview for the post of peon here? It's possible, brother. And it's possible that he has come here to recommend a candidate, his father.
Um, Excuse me, sir. Whom you want to meet?
Actually, I wanted to meet HR. I had taken time from him.
Okay. What is your name?
Yes, Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu Sharma.
Sir, you said I'll just go and ask him.
Sir, you come and sit here. Come. Has he come to recommend a candidate or something? Yes, that's why he's making him sit like this. Look, I don't even know him. Okay, listen. You do one thing. You bring a cup of tea. Strong one. What is this, brother? What happened? You mean you will drink tea alone? Oh, sorry, man. I forgot. Listen, bring 2 cups of tea. Actually, after drinking tea, we get a different energy. Then it'll be fun to give an interview. Got it? Now go. I think he doesn't get his salary. That's why he's sitting like this. Hey, uncle, let me get a job here once. After that, I'll get your work done. Now, make 2 good cups of tea. What do you say? Hey, brother, what are you saying? He came here to do his work. Let him do. Why are you misbehaving? This is not misbehaving. If a person is told his work, it is not called misbehaving. Understood? Yes, and I feel that you are from his same category. That's why you're taking his side. Look, brother, you don't care about my category. That doesn't mean anything to you. You came here to do your work, so just do it.
Oh, sir, when did you come? You should have told me. I would have sent someone to receive you.
No problem. What difference does it make?
Come, sir. Everything is ready.
You must be thinking, when I'm the owner of such a big company, then why did I wear such clothes? Let me tell you. I started this company 25 years ago. Before starting this company, I was a tea vendor. I had a small tea shop and I used to sell tea there. My clothes are also from that time. From my small tea shop to becoming the owner of such a big company, I have worked very hard. I wanted to see how the people who want to join my company think. And I'm very surprised to see your thinking. You all have degrees. But I have to say with great regret that there is no humanity at all. You called me a peon and you called me a tea seller. You even asked me to bring tea for you. But no one thought that the person in front of them is old. Maybe he needs help, so they should ask for help. But this boy impressed me. He made me sit next to him and talk to me nicely. And when you both were making fun of me saying lots of things, then he took my side also. I felt very good after seeing this. I never consider anyone small because when I, a small tea vendor, can become the owner of such a big company, that means clearly that anyone can do anything in this world. This is happening for the first time in my life that I came to take an interview, and without taking the interview is done. You both are not fit to work in my company. Because a person who can't respect others can never prove to be a good employee in any company. Sorry, sir, we didn't know that you are the owner of this company. If we knew, we wouldn't have behaved like this with you. Really, sir. Really sorry, sir. I am ashamed of what I have done. I feel guilty that I behave like this with people. I disrespect them like this. By the way, I felt good to hear this from you. Because when you feel that whatever you have done is wrong, then this is your first step towards change. Sir, I judged you by your clothes. I couldn't see that what you are. We often judge people by their attire, sir. This is our biggest mistake. Sir, I believe that a person doesn't make mistakes, but his thoughts do. And when thoughts change, then change happens automatically. You are right. You are not worthy of working in our company. Sorry, sir. Sir, really sorry, sir. Whatever you have done today, you should always remember it. Because when you remember it, you won't behave like this with others. Whatever you have done, you need to learn from it. That's why I can't give you this job. We have learned, sir. I'm sorry. You can leave. You? Yes, Manish. Manish. See, I won't see your resume, nor I will talk to you about your experience. I will ask you some questions. Yes, sir. Please ask. You tell me that youth like you enjoy making fun of elders. Then why didn't you behave like them? Sir, actually, my mom always used to say that if a person's clothes are dirty, then he can wash them. But if a person's character becomes bad, he can never be washed away. So a person should worry more about his character than their clothes. Wow. You won my heart with these words. Swara, you give him the joining letter and you complete the rest of the formalities.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Best of luck.